Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making Bombay's famous roll and we will be wrapping it using the viral TikTok wrapping technique. It is a great way to use leftover chapatis and is perfect for any meal. Plus it is perfect for tiffins as well because it stays in shape and is mess free to eat. So let's get started. Take 4 large roughly cubed boiled potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, salt as required, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We will mash the potatoes and combine everything well. Do not leave any chunks, make sure that you get a fine mixture. It is better to use freshly boiled potatoes so that it is easier to mash. Keep this aside and place a plate on your counter. Apply oil on your palms to make it easier to work with the mixture. Take 1/6 of the mixture and make round tikkis or patties. We will make 6 round tikkis or patties and a total of 6 wraps in this. Repeat this process of making tikkis with the rest of the mixture. Now we will shallow fry these tikkis. In a pan, take 5 tablespoons of oil. This will be enough for all the tikkis. Start shallow frying the tikkis. The trick to get that crispy exterior is to shallow fry each side of the tikki twice. So flip the tikki halfway through. Fry the other side. And then flip the tikki again to refry each side. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe. Repeat the shallow frying process for the remaining tikkis. Keep all the tikkis aside for now, and in another bowl we will take half a cup of sliced tomatoes, half a cup of sliced onions, half a cup of sliced capsicum, 2 tablespoons of grated beetroot, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. I will leave the link of the pav bhaji masala recipe in the comments section and in the description section. Have a look. Salt as required. Then we will mix all of these together. Keep this aside for now. It is time to now make our wraps. We will take a roti or whole wheat tortilla. Cut it halfway vertically as shown. On the lower 1/4 part of the tortilla, we will add coriander chutney. On the top left part, we will add our tikki. On the top right part, we will add a cheese slice and fold it. And in the bottom right part, we will add our prepared vegetable mixture. Start folding the roti as shown. Repeat this process for the rest of the wraps. It is now time to grill or toast our rotis. You can use a normal tawa, a sandwich griller, or a grill pan like us. Add 1 teaspoon of butter to the grill pan. Place our wrapped tortillas or roti on top of that. Press it with the help of a ladle or any weight. And then we will flip our tortilla. And that's it guys, our Bombay's famous wrap is ready. And with this amazing TikTok wrapping technique, you can enjoy a mess-free wrap eating experience. Do let us know what you think about our combination and stay tuned for more amazing content.